You will instantly notice the difference as your face will feel very fresh, soft and smooth after using this mask. Regular use of this mask will help to fade dark spots and lighten acne marks. Milk used in this mask brightens the skin and reduces blemishes and dark spots. Papaya is well known for its hydrating properties. They provide moisture to dry skin, making it soft, supple and smooth. Papaya contains high amount of vitamin A and C. These are antioxidants that reduce the formation of free radicals that are responsible for premature aging. The enzymes in papaya cleanse the skin, unclog the pores, and also kill the acne-causing bacteria.